Welcome on YouTube, back with another bagging video. Alright, so today I'm going to be teaching you guys a little oral health education. So, have you ever wondered why your teeth are yellow? Well, let's jump on the topic. Alright, so a common misconception in Jamaica is that if your teeth are yellow, you're nasty.
That is a must!
So you can do it.
That is a must!
You see me, them don't give you no chance to explain yourself. Them just say, yo, you're nasty, you know, brush your teeth. But I'm gonna get into the science of why your teeth are yellow sometimes and why other people's teeth are, I guess, whiter. Alright, for those of you that don't know me, I am actually a licensed and registered dental hygienist. So the information that you're going to be getting is not rubbish. It's some real legit stuff, alright guys? Legit! Alright, so what are common causes of your tooth being yellow? So they're staining, smoking, your diet, age, trauma, and medication. So these are common causes of tooth yellowing. So let's dive into the structure of the tooth. I'm gonna ensure that I put a picture there so you can follow along with me. Alright, so we're basically at the structure of the tooth. Right, so I'm gonna focus mainly on two things: your enamel and your dentin. Alright, so the enamel is the glossy tissue that covers the crown of the tooth. The dentin is a dense tissue forming the bulk of the tooth beneath the enamel. So let's discuss that with the common causes that I listed earlier. So the first one is foods. Alright, so if you drink a lot of coffee, you drink a lot of red wine, those are stuff that will usually cause your teeth to become stained. Alright, and if you don't brush properly, you will end up with stains on your teeth. Diets high in sugar. So if you are a person that consume a lot of carbohydrates and drink a lot of sodas and stuff like that, that's another cause for your teeth to become yellow. Smoking or chewing tobacco. I know most of you guys probably don't chew tobacco, but smoking is actually a major cause of staining. Right, so nicotine itself causes deposits on your teeth. As it relates to medication, is side effects, age. So as you get older, you actually have less enamel. Right, so as we discussed before, the enamel is the outer surface of the tooth. So the older you get, is the thinner that layer gets, right? And it's gonna expose more of the dentin, which is the tissue below it, right? So dentin is naturally brown, right? So obviously if you remove one layer and there's another layer below it, it's gonna show the layer underneath it more. Alright? Genetics. Some people just born with yellow teeth. Yeah, it's just in their DNA. Everyone, come here. Trauma. So that's actually another cause of, yellowing. It could be the fact that somebody thumped him in the mouth, him or her, and the tooth just become yellow because of trauma. Less blood supply and all of that good stuff, so your teeth just become yellow. Alright, so you ever hear some people talk about chalk teeth? Yo, that you they have chalk teeth, that you they have yellow teeth. So you have less dentin, right? And dentin is actually the tissue that provides strength of your tooth, right? Majority of the strength of your tooth. So if you have less dentin, your teeth are gonna appear whiter, right? So with that said, if you have less dentin, your tooth going to be weaker, right? So it's easier for chip and all them stuff. So that's why them say, yo, we have chalk teeth, right? So another one is yellow teeth, as people would say. If you have more of that strong tissue, which is dentin, the below tissue. Yeah, if you have more of that, you actually have a stronger tooth. With you having more, you're naturally going to have yellower teeth because you have more dentin, right? So when anybody tell you say, yo, you have yellow teeth, you know, say you don't smoke, you know, say you know, drink coffee, you know, drink whatever, just tell them say, yo, I have a stronger teeth, I have more dentin than you see me? So just build.
Move on, go away.
So this brings me to another question. Should you bleach your teeth? For me, basically, it just boils down to preference. If you prefer to have a whiter tooth, then sure, go ahead, you know. Who doesn't like white teeth, I guess. But with doing that, you have to think about the repercussions. So some people have complained about temporary sensitivity after bleaching their teeth. It doesn't last long, right? But if you want better sensitivity, go ahead. When the trouble you leave it. Types of bleaching. So they have lights that you can use, you have kits that you can buy over the counter, and there's the dental office. You just go in, make an appointment, and then you do the treatment in stages, right? So the kits are like strips that you can put on over your teeth overnight, right? So the lights, so basically the light removes water from your tooth structure, and that leaves your tooth actually looking whiter. So when people say they're using light thing to make your teeth look whiter, yeah, they're basically just removing the water from your teeth. So in conclusion, there are many factors that can cause your teeth to look yellow. So let me go over them again. Foods such as coffee, tea, red wine, diet high in carbohydrates and sugar, smoking or chewed tobacco, medication, age, genetics, trauma. Alright guys, so thanks for watching my video. Do hope you learned something new. If you found this video interesting, please give it a thumbs up. If you like to see more content like this, leave a comment, subscribe.